There are two different ways to apply the chakra cups. The first way is quick and simple. It is what I like to call the one-touch method. You are simply going to place the chakra cup over the area that you'd like to treat. I'm going to place it over the ankle. Make sure the edges of the chakra cup are touching the entire area of treatment. And then we are simply going to press down on the top of the cup. One touch, very, very simple. To remove the chakra cup, you are going to break the suction. I like to use my pointy or thumb finger. I'm going to slide it underneath the cup. I'm going to break the suction, and then I'm going to slowly remove the cup from the body. The second way in which to apply the chakra cup is what I like to call the flip-flop method. This way, we are going to flip the cup inside out. So we're going to press down on the top of the dome first. Flip it inside out, and then we are going to place that inverted dome onto the area of treatment. Once the cup is where we'd like to treat, we are then going to press the edges of that cup down and flip the cup outside back in. The second way to apply the chakra cup is a little bit more aggressive, so I typically will tell my clients this is going to flip inside out, but there's no pain. It just sometimes is a little bit surprising when you flip the cup back inside out. Again, to take that cup off, we are going to simply break the suction. I stuck my thumb underneath the base of the cup, broke the suction, and then I removed the cup nice and slow.